Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fully remove the interior light in the rear of an Audi A4 B8 from 2010. This is also called map light, I think. Anyway, let's get it out of here. So for this you kind of need the prying tool and put it under the plastic and just pull. It has a few clips all around. Go on all sides with the tool and it should release sooner or later fully. And now we are in here. Let's see what screws or what else we need to take out. Well, to my absolute surprise, I don't think we need to get any screws out. I think this is held in place only with clips all around. So this is one side out. Try to get under the other side. It's a bit more difficult to do than I actually expected, but it is coming out, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. Make sure you don't short this on anything. Yikes. And to completely remove the connector, I'm going to show you in a moment what I did. You see this little tongue right here. You need to press it, and when it's pressed you can simply pull the connector out. That's the lock-in mechanism, and that's about it. This is free to dangle in here for the moment while I install the rear camera, which will be a completely different video. Time to put this back in place. As you can see, I soldered some wires to it, quite well insulated in here, but anyway, all of this is exposed, if you can believe it, directly in there. So my wires are nothing compared to that. Also, we have a power adapter here. A link towards the video will be in the description, where I actually install a rear view dash camera in here in this car. So next thing, I will just actually plug, not unplug, this connector in any day now. Insert it in there and pop this thing back in its position. Connector is plugged in. It needs to be towards us when we put this back, but first I need to tuck in this right in this area under everything. There's plenty of room because of the shape of this in here in the front. Plenty of room for me to hide all of this. Everything is tucked in there and it's honestly perfect. So at this point, all that I need to do is push this thing, connector in first, so it doesn't grab anything. Push this side and then rear side, and it's closed up. And we are done here. And obviously everything is working. So, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.